Hey guys, hope you're doing well. How's it going? Happy rainy Friday. So I'm back from my sabbatical. I'm excited to get back into playing guitar. I've taken 2 weeks and a couple days of completely not touching my guitar. So yeah, it's exciting to rediscover. Like I mentioned in my video 2 weeks ago, I made a video about that. Anyway, so I played at this festival in upstate New York called Echo, and it went pretty well. You know, it's every performance is a kind of learning experience. You sometimes may adjust things, you may kind of analyze what could be done better, or on the other hand, you could be like, wow, this worked out really well. So one question that came up was how to get the feedback on stage, how to get that really like in your face harsh feedback. If you recall, this was right before the whole lockdown situation began. I was making a video about feedback, and at that point I had not had a chance to try it out on stage, but obviously for the last 2+ years I've been perfecting that sound. So the question is, how do you get that feedback? And I will play it for you from my computer to hear what it sounds like in the optimal settings. So let's take a listen. So this is our dramatic stage entrance. Let's see. Let's play. Yeah, there we go. So it sounds pretty well, doesn't it? Normally with the old gear, I just, feedback, if it happened, it was great. But with a processor, or if you have a pedal board with enough kind of options at your disposal, you can deliberately invoke that feedback. And I figured this out a long time ago, honestly, before even dreaming of owning a Helix, like back in 2001 maybe. I just figured out that if you max out your distortion, it will start feeding back at room volumes. So it's basically as simple as taking your existing chain, adding another additional distortion block or distortion pedal to your chain, matching the sound so that the tone does not change drastically, but it's just so overdriven that it starts feeding back even from the PA system sometimes. So like when I make that dramatic entrance, I'm not even anywhere close to my onstage amplifier. And it's all trial and error. Sometimes it could be sort of too much gain, so you may need to dial it down. On my guitar, certain pickup combinations start giving you this like microphonic whistling, which is no good. But let's take a look on HX Edit. It's just really simple. Okay, so once again, pardon this kind of me filming the screen, but all I'm doing, this is the very first song that we play. This is what you just heard. So I have a snapshot called Feedback, and basically this additional classic distortion gets turned on when I select this feedback snapshot. And I also have this really kind of much slower than I would normally have stereo ping-pong delay, and that's all it is. You need to just experiment, match your sound quality so that you don't get too much treble or too much bass when you select that feedback option. And that's all it is. It's really, like I said before, I used to kind of have to walk up to the amp, do some things, and sometimes it will happen. Sometimes you want it to happen, it doesn't happen because it's not loud enough or something. But with this option, it always feeds back. Sometimes better, sometimes worse, but you always get that nice kind of fifth to an octave up. And yeah, give it a try. So pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Good luck.